Free monthly, we each share about one or more of the following from Earth or some other dimension or fictional world. A favorite exotic or gourmet culinary travel experience of yours that was a real feast for the senses. A favorite food, dining, or cooking scene from a book, movie, or work in progress. A favorite exotic or gourmet recipe. A favorite dining activity, game, ritual, or tradition. If relatively easy and not too long, we may do it. A favorite exotic or gourmet piece of culinary history. Take us on a stroll through your rare edible garden and describe the flavors of your fruits, herbs, spices, starches, nuts, etc. If you're inspired, you could do any of the following things to further celebrate and bring this theme to life. That's great. If just managing to get here with your hair sticking straight up is where you're at, you're equally welcome. So here are some ideas. Come dressed representing the region of food you're sharing about or in some other festive attire. Have an elaborate table setting or centerpiece before you. Prepare or obtain a dish or beverage to show and tell. Have some object in the screen near you or to show and tell. Have an exotic, elegant, or in some way thematic place in a photo or art as a zoom backdrop behind you that brings us there or simply adds to the fun and festivity. Love to meet you at this table on Zoom, especially during the holidays. Bring mystery dishes, prepared in mysterious ways, share about them, and eat together. You don't have to bring a dish. It's just, for those who want to, it adds to it. So if you'd like to gather with me and friends, either on Zoom or occasionally in an audio conference call or other audio gathering mode, I'll post you need to subscribe to this channel so that I'm sure that I can get in touch with you in case there are any changes last minute. I don't do mailing lists and stuff like that. One of my videos talking about the culinary gatherings because I hope to make time to host gatherings around 3 times a week for 12 different communities and topics. So 3 times a week, rotating between the 12. So I need to know who is interested in what and how many people, and the ones with the most likes and subscribers will happen, first in the rotation. And then the last thing is that you need to genuinely love the topic and coming to participate in activities, and my posts inspired you to want to reach out in genuine friendship to my friends and I, because that's what it's about. Meaning my gatherings are not like a passive audience watch.
Not to just sit and watch, not audience, but for people coming to interact. And you have just heard me switch audio tools. I hope you weren't blasted. Anyways, I look forward to sharing with you.